So dear guests, dear photographers, dear visitors, everybody who should be here tonight at the opening of our exhibition of Indonesian engaged photography, Vision 2020, you're welcome, but you are not here.
Unfortunately, there were forces at play, but we still open this exhibition symbolically, virtually, and just to prove that the world is small and big at the same time. So we will be there, and exhibition is here.
And because we want to show you that we really appreciate your work, while also our work, which has been a 1-year-long project of cooperation, of beautiful moments, of critical moments, at the end of plans A, B, C, D, and now we are with plan F, I think. We are alone, we are not gathering together, meeting together, we are not having the opportunity to share in person, but still, we are together in our hearts, in our mind, and this exhibition is on, it's finished, and it's really beautiful.
And it is a real sense of community, working with Swanti, with Maria, this international cooperation that gave birth to this beautiful exhibition. I think it's very much a humbling sense of community, which now we have a chance to share, at least virtually, which we wanted to do in person, but we cannot.
For me personally and for Jakopić Gallery, it all began with meeting Sasha, then it continued with meeting Swanti, with Jeep Fest last year in Jakarta, and that brought the opportunity to meet all the fantastic photographers, Indonesian photographers, of which 27 were selected to participate at this exhibition. And so it came. It is the vision of the world we might want to live in, how to change it, how to see it, and it is a clear vision of each of the photographers to tell their own stories, to bring a piece of little piece of reality of Indonesia, this vast archipelago. Compared to Slovenia, it is not comparable actually in size, in diversity, in many other things. But still, it has so many parallels which can show that even if there is a problem, it's also a global problem, and this problem can find its solution, especially within the community. So the community seems to become even more important term in those times. So it's important for us to keep community with you, to be grateful to have you all, and also the community of our visitors who are going to enjoy your visions here at this exhibition at whatever time it will be possible. Will be, I believe, a wonderful experience for everyone here gathering in the gallery.
I'm sure it will be magnificent, especially in May, when we hope that again some photographers and Swanti, the curator from Indonesia, would come, and we can all jointly do some programs together, and that many more people will come and be able to join us. One thing that I think it's also at this time very important to say, as Maria said, community is really important and becoming more important in this moment, but also that personal engagement, like of those photographers that participate, as we said here in the text, and also in our catalog that is published with the exhibition. In this exhibition, there is not necessarily one photograph that changes the world, but each of those photographers do change the world, each one of them with their own personal engagement and with their own personal activities beyond photography. And I think that is the most important thing in this exhibition.
And that's why I will only say terima kasih to all the photographers, to Sasha, to Swanti,
and to Maria,
who were together the curatorial team of this exhibition, and also to the greatest team of our institution, Museum and Galleries of Ljubljana, in the name of visitors who cannot be here today but will be able to see your exhibition later on. I'm sure about that. And yeah, there should be new opportunities to meet, and there should be new opportunities for creativity.
And I think we should also thank the people who supported us on the journey, which is Indonesian Embassy in Vienna.
Absolutely.
And also Indonesian Embassy in Zagreb, who also participates in part of this big event that goes across the borders. Also to the Ministry of Culture in Slovenia.
Absolutely, and the city of Ljubljana, of course, who is mainly financing our exhibitions. And I will just say to all the people who were on this way, on this journey, through this year of hard work, of cooperation, of creativity, of communication, of everything beautiful. Actually, it was mostly beautiful. And as I like to say, from now on, it's a little bit a joke, of course, but I like to say, from now on, I only work with Indonesian photographers. This is such a beautiful cooperation. It really was.